Friends, I'm not sure how to bring this news to you other than just to do it. There's been some events that have been happening to Pota activators while they have been out at parks activating for Pota. And these Pota activators have had problems while they were doing Pota activations, and we just need to get straight to the heart of the matter here. I have a news clip here from N2MAK of just such an event.
I'm Mike, N2MAK. Today I'm going to do a Parks on the Air activation with the Coffee and Ham Radio's Mercury link dipole. What's that sound? What is that? It sounds like it's coming from inside the car. Crikey! It's a North Texas ham hugger. Who put you here? The doors are locked. They won't open. Get me out! Get me out! Help! Help! He's got me. Ah! Oh, my spleen! Ah! Snakes. I hate snakes.
This is just tragic. Our hearts go out to Mike and to MAK and to all other Pota activators out there who have been a victim of the current Pota craze in Pota hunting that has gone a little too far. I believe that the Pota hunter has now turned into the Pota serial killer. Simon, VA7BIX, has also become a victim. Let's take a look at this live action footage that was caught shortly after he started his activation a few days ago.
Whiskey 7, Uniform Hotel 59, QSL. I'm not feeling too good. Roger, mate, in a mobile Idaho. Take care, buddy. Have a wonderful day. And 7-3. Oh, I'm not feeling too good. No worries, mate. Oh, okay, guys. This is Victor Alpha 7. Oh, I'm not Bravo Indy X-ray at Park Victor Echo 5539. QRZ.
November India Victor. November 9, Papa, Kilo 3, Hotel X-ray Whiskey.
No. Okay, it seems like no one is safe from this. Our friend Mike, K8MRD, has also become a victim here, and I would urge everybody to stop immediately, both Pota hunting and Pota activating, to make sure that neither one of you become a victim.
It's such a beautiful day to be doing a Parks on. I'm shot.
If they can go out to anybody in a random park in any part of the world, there's no reason why they can't come into your shack. You've been warned. Stay safe, my friends. This has been an April Fool's News Network action alert. Take action. Be safe. Thanks for being awesome. Just kidding, y'all.
Woo! Okay, the station heading in Hotel Whiskey. Go ahead, buddy.
Kilo 3, Hotel X-ray Whiskey.